Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Explore with Aditi Vyas. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about carboxylic acid, your last chapter of organic chemistry lesson 12 ICC 10th. Alright, so in this video, we are going to discuss about its preparation, properties, test, and oxidation of alkenes, where the alkenes form carboxylic acid. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it. Alright, so it contains COOH group, or we can say any compound, any organic compound which contains COOH group is known as carboxylic acid, and it is acidic in nature. 5 to 6% of ethanoic acid, or we can say acetic acid, is used to form vinegar, and vinegar is commonly used in our kitchens. All right, so if we talk about its name, then it contains carbonyl and hydroxyl, and combinedly it form its name, that is carboxyl acid. It may be aliphatic or aromatic. If it contain alkyl chain, then it will be aliphatic, and if it contain aryl chain, then it is aromatic. Now come to the preparation. The first preparation is from acetylene. Our C2H4 will react with water in the presence of dilute H2SO4 and catalyst HgSO4 to form acetaldehyde, and then this acetaldehyde further oxidized in the presence of 70 degrees Celsius temperature to form ethanoic acid. Then the second one, very very important, mostly asked in your exams, that preparation of ethanoic acid from ethanol, or we can say from alcohol. All right, here we are taking ethyl alcohol because we are going to prepare acetic acid. So this ethanol is oxidized in the presence of platinum and the temperature 300 degrees Celsius to form acetic acid plus water. Then the third one is from oxidation of alkane. Very very important, we are going to discuss this in a separate topic. So the alkane will oxidize to form alcohol, and then this alcohol will oxidize to form aldehyde, and now this aldehyde will oxidize to form acetic acid. Now come to the properties. Firstly, we will discuss the physical properties. So it is liquid, colorless, boiling point and melting point is 188 degrees Celsius and 17 degrees Celsius, and it is hygroscopic in nature. Now come to the chemical properties of acetic acid or carboxylic acid and ethanoic acid. Basically, in your syllabus, we are going to discuss about the acetic acid. Okay, so esterification, very very important. Whenever this acetic acid will react with the alcohol in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, it will give you ethyl acetate. All right, and H2O. Then reaction with base, whenever an acid will react with base, we all know it goes to form salt plus water, and known as neutralization reaction. Then reaction with metal, whenever it will react with metal, it liberate hydrogen gas and form acetate, metal acetate. All right, then if we talk about the test, then no reaction in your syllabus, so we are going to directly write it. Carbonate and bicarbonate, whenever react with your acetic acid, it will release CO2 and confirm the presence of acetic acid. And whenever ferric chloride will react with acetic acid, it will give red wine color. Now the next one is oxidation of alkane, very very important. What is oxidation? Lose of hydrogen and gain of oxygen. Whenever alkane will oxidize, it will give alcohol, then alcohol to aldehyde, aldehyde to carboxylic acid, and carboxylic acid to CO2 plus H2O. But there are some conditions to proceed this reaction. These are as follow. Alkane will oxidize to form alcohol in the presence of copper tube and atmospheric pressure 120 475 Kelvin temperature. All right, then this will form alcohol. Then alkane form aldehyde in the presence of molybdenum oxide as catalyst and 100 degrees Celsius. And if alkane form acid, carboxylic acid, here we are talking about the carboxylic acid, it will use the catalyst manganese. All right, so Here we are taking the example, or we can say equation. So here we are taking an alkane in the presence of copper tube. It is oxidized and form ethyl or alcohol, and then it form aldehyde, and then it form carboxylic acid. Alright, so this is oxidation of alkanes, means from the oxidation of alkane we form carboxylic aldehyde. But if we want to directly form a carboxylic acid from alkane, then we can use manganese. Alright, then there is one more question: what is spurious alcohol? So ethyl alcohol, which we are using to drink, is containing the trace of methyl alcohol. Okay, and methyl alcohol is very poisonous, so it is known as spurious alcohol. And by distillation or boiling, we can separate these two from each other. But in case of village, they can't do proper distillation, and that's lead to death. So this is all about oxidation of alkene and carboxylic acid. I hope you all understand it. Thank you for watching.